And I really need to buy new flowers because they just die right now. Oh my gosh, so ugly. I need to buy new flowers. I got some new flowers that I will be put there. And so pretty. I always wanted to buy one of these because the winter is coming and it will be gray, so will be like some color for this winter. So pretty. I love it so much. There is really something special at riding the bike on an autumn night. The grace to see the falling leaves on the ground, while the wind passes through your hair and gives you the feeling that good things are ahead. Good morning, everyone. It's really cloudy, maybe it's raining, I don't know, I'll check. Yeah, I think it's raining because people here doesn't use umbrellas, so I know. But look at this weather. Yeah, it's raining. I decided to go out anyway because I know that I haven't been vlogging and I stopped doing something that I like, and I want to do things that I like again, so I'm going to vlog today in this cold and in the rain, and it's okay because it's a new environment, like new experience vlogging in the rain. I think it will be the first time here in Sydney. Anyway, I want to go to a cafe just to journaling and read my book, and also to get some creativity because I'm thinking I will open an online shop. So I don't know yet, it's an idea, but I want to get some creativity and go to some stores to buy some stuff. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. This cafe is very cute, the coffee is really good and it's really crowded, so I think it's really popular in this area. So I recommend you guys coming because approved. I love it. It was my first time exploring this new suburb called Newtown. I loved the architecture of the houses, the colorful at each corner, and the creativeness of the people. It really helped me to explore my creative side for my new project, and of course, I will be coming back soon. going to eat even though not feeling like I'm really hungry, but I don't want to eat anything these days. So I bought some soup. Let's eat. Today is class day. Look so pretty. And I forgot my water bottle, so I'm going to buy some drink and go to the class. Today is not raining, but it's very cold. Got this. The only thing bad is because my throat is hurting and this is really ice right now, but there's nothing I can do. I need some bottle. I feel so shy every time that I film in public, but that's life. See you in class. First. Just one cultural background.
Yeah.
Not just everyone.
Okay, so Lee.
Such a beautiful day to go out to cafe and finish my book because my teacher let us go earlier, go home. But I'm really with headache right now, so I'll just go home to sleep. But so beautiful to go out at this time. So sad that I got headache in this day that I would just could enjoy Sydney. But at least I'm gonna rest.